So I just took the dash off. As you can see, the stereo is out along with the dash piece. So over here I just had 2 clips, and then I had this clip. This one was not plugged into anything, and then those 2 there. Then I unplugged the antenna wire, and then this is the clip that goes into the back of the stereo. You can see it just has this piece that you pull down, the tab you push, and it comes out. And then you can see here on the side, these are the tabs that you're trying to push in with those metal clips. See them down here. So now with this whole piece out, all I have to do is just come up here and push them in with my hand, and that piece will come out. So if you don't have any metal bits kicking around, or if it's not working, you can just take your whole dash piece off like I did, and it'll pop out that way as well.